YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to test out this HFT, which is the Harbor Freight Tool brand. This is the instant setting epoxy adhesive. This one says sets in 90 seconds or up to 2,000 pounds per inch. Instant bonds for metal, glass, ceramic, plastic, rubber, and wood. And this one is 28.3 gram or 1 ounce. So it says caution, irritating to eyes and skin. So you might want to go and then read the warnings and everything on this before you use it. Or wear a special glove and goggle. Right here is the direction. So it says point tip away from face and eyes while opening or body. And it says do not mix on metal. And use a non-metal to steer it. Apply a mix proxy to both surface to bond and hold parts together with the clamp. So I gotta get my clamp. Product sets in 90 seconds. It can be handled in 30 minutes with the full care in 24 hours. For cooler temperatures, set time may be longer, so we might have to wait a little bit longer since it's winter time. So it says to seal syringe, pull back the plunger, white tip, and place cap firmly on tip. Cap will only fit one way on tips. Store upright with the tips up. So you need to uncap the cap first and then squeeze it out. And after that, you're going to mix it. And then you're going to bond it to the parts that you're going to glue together. And then clean the tip and put it back. And this is made in USA. I got this out of Harbor Freight for $3.49. They have a smaller pack, which is $1.99. But I think the adhesive was only a tiny little bit, so I say forget it. I was buy the big one. Because I didn't want to buy the big one and didn't seal correctly and then dry it up and waste it. So this is the dagger I'm trying to glue together. So my son made this out of the 3D printing machine. Since it's set flat on the 3D printer, so you need to glue it. It's kind of flimsy at the tip right here, but otherwise pretty sharp edges. So yeah, let me go get my glove, my clamp, and my goggle. You're supposed to clean it and then sand it down with like a paper or whatever to make it rough. But since it has a rough edge already, I'm not going to do that. But it is better to sand it to make it rough. And I'm going to put the epoxy adhesive right here and then mix with this. So I'm going to open this up first. Ouch, always get hurt. Oh, they come with the stick. So I can mix it. or I could just use this to mix it. Alright, so you need to break this off, and I guess you will need to break this off too, or else the syringe will not allow you to press it down, and this become a cap, as you can see. So yeah, it seems I need to break this off. Now I'm going to put my gloves in. Make sure you protect your hands. So I already have my goggles, so break this off. Oh, what the? I didn't even push it to come out. So this is a crazy part right here. You need to estimate how much you need. So try to squeeze it out evenly. Put it up. Oh my god, still coming out. Might be too much. Oh yeah, you need to plunge it back. Suck it up. Pull up. There you go. Put the cap back in so your glue doesn't dry it up. What the? Huh? That's it? Make sure you put it like that. Oh. Pull it backward. I'm not sure. This might be a bad design. Doesn't seem like it's gonna fit in there tight enough. Let me mix it up. Oh my gosh. Not enough. Oh my god, this stupid wrapper. So finally I got the caps in. You have to push really hard, and the caps only fit one way, okay? You see how this there's a slit line right here? Make sure the cap is cut open, or else you wanna fit in there correctly. Because it only fit one way. How this side is so black. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.